RCS Wireless Technology offers a variety of public safety and service vehicle customizations. Our upfitting service includes communication equipment installation, sirens, and light bar upfitting. You can be sure that all of your equipment is installed properly and is fully operational every time you need it. It is essential that your vehicle has the necessary communications and warning equipment installed properly and securely. From police vehicles to fire trucks to ambulances, RCS has installed and supported the communication, navigation, and security features on over 8,000 vehicles in the state of North Carolina alone. Additionally, our qualified staff have extensive experience allowing us to upfit service motorcycles, SWAT vehicles, buses, and more according to all required laws and mandates. We ensure that you have the security equipment you need to get the job done safely. Having the best equipment is essential to ensure that your vehicles are operational, highly visible, and ready for service day or night. One of the best parts about working with RCS's highly qualified technicians is the extensive ongoing support available to vehicles and fleets that we have serviced. Our optional extended warranties offer prolonged system checkups and optimization to ensure a robust life for your service vehicles. Need a custom solution? RCS Wireless Technology installs communication systems, sirens, and lights in all types of commercial vehicles, including those used for construction, courier, security, and more. We have the experience and expertise to upfit your fleet vehicles to any specification. Don't forget to ask us about fleet discounts. To collaborate with our team of professional engineers, visit our website or give us a call and put our years of industry experience to work for you.